Hey guys, this is Robert Lowe, and I am going to answer a discussion question here. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. I'm in the downtown library, and I can't be too loud. But anyway, the question is why do most law enforcement or attorneys consider the truth about any case to be overrated or underrated? Huh, that is a good question. But I can tell you one thing, all right? Okay, when it comes to evidence like forensic evidence, medical evidence, evidence fit for court, all right, quite often a jury, a judge, prosecuting attorney, or defendant's attorney, most of the time are not scientifically inclined. Okay, so they don't really understand what's real or what's true or what's not true. And so the truth can get lost easily. Quite often, you'll have juries who are just high school diploma, graduates, not even qualified to analyze information, but they're still put in positions to make decisions on somebody else's life. So the truth gets lost. And because of this, the truth sometimes, unless they're consistent with the narrative, it can be overrated or underrated. So the truth won't really matter. So this is what our law enforcement or some of our attorneys while in one situation while they would say the truth is underrated or overrated. It doesn't really even matter unless that's the narrative, because people, judges, attorneys, juries, for some, well, most of the time, only believe what confirms what they already believe. That's just the way it is. That's the reality we live in. That's one reason. There you go. So, truth just gets lost that way. So, don't believe me? Look at the George Floyd case. Floyd case. Any medical professional could tell you that's bullshit. It's not possible. Look at Martin Luther King's case. Okay, his so-called assassin wasn't even in town. 10 years after Martin Luther King's death, we find out the ballistics don't even match. Mm, yeah. So whoever really actually killed him, we'll never know. And it's just accepted. So the truth got lost. That's the reality that we live in. That's the world that we live in. So yes, the truth can be overrated, sometimes underrated. That's reality. Later.